How many apples you want? 4?
Just enough for today. We don't have a refrigerator. We'll go look at the refrigerator. I think the problem with that one place is that they want you to have cash.
So what's the price on this one? This one is 25, a little bigger.
So it's like
That's 11.8.
it's like 5,000 more.
Oh,
this
okay.
one.
That one. So here, guys, you can see a serious flood control.
Flood control, yeah, look at this deal. That's to protect the city.
Yes. Because they already experienced before. The Typhoon Frank, the whole city was flooded. So they don't want it to happen. So that's why they're building this. They are still building. So you see backhoes.
That ain't gonna protect us though.
Yeah, rebars.
Well, maybe it'll protect us. I guess it helps.
It helps, yeah.
They don't have over by us where that river is though. They don't have any of that. What happens is the creek overfills because the creek is connected to the river. So the creek is the first one that goes.
Oh, they're cutting trees here. Oh, big trees. Happen here.
They're developing it.
Typhoon. So we have.
Want to stop by 7-Eleven and get some Cokes?
Oh yeah, you're out, huh? Out of Coke. Oh, they're giving out rice in there.
Yeah, NFA.
NFA rice.
NFA rice, yeah.
So we want to stop by 7-Eleven to get some drinks. Because Daddy is missing cold drinks. Just like me.
I think we need to go buy a refrigerator.
We need to look today.
I think it's time, huh? Hey?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, I'm gonna go grab. You want Coke Zero?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Look at Nino's is open now. Or they looks like they just opened it.
They just opened the door.
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to our channel. We are looking to buy a refrigerator. We don't like the Samsung. We have enough bad experience with Samsung.
Pretty big though, huh?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
Don't really need this big at the farm, huh?
So we're gonna get this one, guys. This is, I think that's bigger than the one we. Ours is like the at the Bukid. So we're gonna get that.
Cokes.
Yeah, and then there's
frozen meats up here, ice. It's okay for the farm.
so this one. LG. Hindi man mayroon man mag-pick up.
Ah, sige, sige.
Thank you. Ah, sige. Okay. First Daddy na. How much is that, Daddy? $29? I think it's around there too. That's what I remember. Yeah, that's why I like 60. Yeah, expensive. We bought it in Robinson's. So we're testing this. We're gonna get this one, guys, for the farm. So what's the price on this one? This one is 25, a little bigger.
So it's like
That's 11.8.
it's like 5,000 more.
Oh,
This
okay.
one.
That one. Yeah.
Is it worth 5,000 more? It's a little bigger.
Yeah. It's the same features.
This one is huge. This is like 8,000 more.
Yeah, but it's a Samsung.
Yeah. I figure this is fine, huh?
Yeah. Plus, it's LG. We like LG.
What was he saying? What does he use? Like for brown or something?
Door cooling. No, when there's brown out, it's what's that? Start up something. Low voltage start up.
Oh, it handles low voltage? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, we need that.
Yeah, we need that. And then these ones, this feature here, they all the compartments. Yeah. Unlike the Panasonic has only one. So when you look at it, it's only here.
Oh,
When you put container or like
so that cools better. Or should. Better airflow.
it's looking at the TV.
TV.
Mag-wait pa man tayo niyan, sir.
Ah, sige.
Tingin muna kami sa TV. TV.
Which ones have the Bluetooth?
Bluetooth. Android TV, sir.
Android TV?
Bluetooth.
The 55-inch.
Sony is good.
Sony is good.
Yeah.
You know, naka-highlight din mo. This one, sir, 55 also. Smart TV.
Sale.
4K, full HD. Before, sir, starting 899 to 2399.
Okay.
Also, smart TV, sir.
We don't need it. What we need is one of those, actually.
Where? Oh, the stove. Yeah. Meron kami TV, pero maliit lang. Parang ganyan.
14 K.
Oo, kaya nga nagtingin-tingin siya. Pero sabi niya, mas kailangan namin yun kaysa TV ngayon.
All the TVs have come down in price.
Yeah.
Yes, higher price, all the TV.
3 years ago, I was paying like 60,000
All in
for a 55.
55.
Yeah. They come down in
Samsung.
price. It's almost like you want to get a 55 now. You maybe get it in a few weeks. It's so cheap, huh?
Yeah.
I think my first 55, I paid like 70, right?
Yung sale ninyo hanggang kailan?
End of the month.
End of the month?
Pero kasi ma-extend ko naman.
Okay.
65, ma'am, is 41. 65 inches. Smart TV, same.
So only the smart TVs have the Bluetooth. We like the Bluetooth because we hook up the speaker. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's...
Did you already pay?
Not yet. Okay.
No Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
No sale.
Baka i-sale yung Bluetooth next month.
Check lang natin.
Balik na lang kami next month. He's gonna do a demo. You watch.
As of now, ma'am, bago pa lang din siya nag-andar ang refrigerator.
Okay.
Then, tinanglan mo ma'am, mag-abot sa balay na to. I-plaster na to kung sa din plaster pro nung muna ipag-alpanda ron sa sulod sang 4 ka oras.
4 hours.
Okay.
Before you start it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then after 4 hours, pandaron mo siya 2 hours na wala unod.
Okay. So, after 4 hours, you turn it on for 2 hours without anything inside. Empty.
After 2 hours, pwede mo na masudlan, pero amata-maton lang.
Okay.
Sa freezer, diri lang ito diri. Then
Oh.
after 10 to 15 minutes, muna ko dugang aton.
Okay.
Dugang. Then ang recommended location ko, mapa-full o normal loading is number 2.
Okay, number 2.
This one.
How do you adjust?
And there's a knob.
Oh, there's a knob.
No need, hindi na ko na lang mag-adjust na.
Uh-huh.
Then sa freezer is sa fridge recommended location ko. Kung normal loading is number 5. Then kung full loading is number 7.
Okay. If it's full, put it at 7.
10 years warranty sa compressor. Then 2 years warranty sa cartridge service.
Okay. That's good. That's why we love LG. We good? It's time to pay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, that's our refrigerator on the way to the farm now. So we are set in this farm. Oh. Thanks to Christian. Unboxing galore.
Tasya.
Tatilid na, tatilid.
Tasya. Pero di.
Alalay ka ra.
Pwede man ni Tagalog na lang.
Tagilid mo.
No.
Oh, kanunugan!
Ay, murag pantiyon.
Pasok sa loob ba? Walang lamok.
Gano'n ba yung kaganang lamok?
Pasok sa loob.
May musket na buwan, pura.
Dito na lang, Bill.
Sinakatumba?
Oo, wala na kayo na.
Nagawan mo lang
Ito, Bill. Ito, Bill.
Oo,
Hindi natin ito, Bill.
Tungan.
tapi hindi siyang salon, pwedeng dili. Oo.
O para maglinis ko.
Pag may baha.
Kalitaso na.
Pag magbaha, safe.
It's about the same price.
Pila nit eh.
21.
Taas cute, no? Mag-withdraw mo. Buangon sila dihang di mo dawat.
Puno sila yung machine.
Ay, nakita, no? 4 hours na yung banda rin.
Hindi na kami mag-ano dun, kuya no? Mag-rescue sa'yo.
Pasok.
I told Kuya Nono, no more disturbing Kuya Nono. Put meat.
So maybe they won't buy ice. You will have ice now.
Wala ka dito ng ice.
Ang gatas ni Warren yung problema.
The kids will be here for what,
Bukas.
Friday, Saturday,